Today's video, I will compare these two backpacks, the Palm Spring mini backpack and the backup backpack that I recently got for my birthday. As I had promised, I would come here and compare these two backpacks for you. In my previous video, I showed you the backup backpack and I promised that I would come in here and show you the comparison between that backpack and my Palm Spring backpack. And here we are to do that. So in today's video, I will compare these two backpacks. So if you think this is going to be a video that you're going to find entertaining or you're going to like, and then keep on watching for the comparison. So here we are. This is the Palm Spring mini backpack and the backup backpack from Louis Vuitton. These two backpacks are very, very similar and very different at the same time. So they are both backpacks, as we know. Obviously, as the name states, they both have top handles. They both have removable or partially removable and adjustable straps in the back. They both have front pockets. This one has one and these have two. Now this one opens with a zipper and this one opens with a magnet. So let's get a little bit into the details of these to compare them. So as you see, this one opens with one zipper at the top, a zipper at the bottom little pocket. She is top handle monogram with the black treated vachetta. She has two straps in the back. Let me take this off so we can play around with her. Although her little pom-pom, I love that little pom-pom. So she has two straps that are removable completely at the top and the bottom and adjustable. The Palm Spring Mini is known for his versatile straps that you can interchange and change in every way you can imagine. You can wear her on your back. You can adjust her height on the back by removing half of the strap and making it a very, very shorter backpack. You can use one strap only and cross it and play with one strap, and even cross this strap over to this side and make her a bum bag looking backpack on the front, on the back. You can use her with a long strap so you can wear her as a bag. You can wear one of the smaller ones and wear her as a shoulder bag or shorter shoulder bag. You can wear these straps, take them off completely and wear her top handle. I mean, there are video over video of this Palm Spring mini backpack worn in so many different ways. I saw this video the other day of 15 ways that you could wear the Palm Spring mini. So the versatility is there for the straps. The versatility is there to wear her different ways. I truly love this bag. This is a keeper in my collection. I've had her maybe 2 years or less, and it has become, I think, one of my most used bags. I wear her out even if I see that the radar is predicting rain. Here in Florida, that's where I live. Here in Florida, you cannot predict the weather. My husband says that our weatherman has the best job in the world, because if he says it's not gonna rain, and if it rains, everybody's okay with it, because this is Florida for you. So in my state, this is a must-have bag in everyone's collection, because you get caught in the rain with this bag and you don't have to worry about it. You just get a napkin or a tissue towel, whatever you have in hand, and wipe her down, and no damage whatsoever, and are countless the times that I've been caught in the rain with her. So, and she's exactly the same as she came when she first came to me. So this is a very versatile bag. The pocket in the front in my opinion, is useless. But with that being said, and I've heard many people say that, but in my case, what I do is my key fob, I place it right in here because my car is keyless. So as long as you have the keys on you, the car will turn on. So I put it in here. Perfect for that. Perfect. Although it's useless for other things. This I don't know, they say is for a twilly or something that you want to tie. I don't do that. Useless for me, but it looks cute though. It looks cute that she has something, you know, on her. Other than that, what can I say about this bag but good things? You know, weatherproof, versatile in every way, fits my essentials, everything I need in this bag. So highly recommend this bag, and such a cutie patootie in my opinion. The brand new in my collection, backup backpack, gorgeous little bag, beautiful top handle, removable, partially removable straps, adjustable at the bottom, but they do not fit my body frame as well as it would fit somebody who's teeny tiny, skinny, and slim. I am short, but I am rounded. So in my case, getting her on my back is like wrestling with a wrestler. So it's literally a whole wrestling match for me to get her on my back. But she has the same, you know, similar pockets. She has 2 pockets in this case. Her size is totally different from the other one. She fits more of the things that I need to carry on a daily or on a weekend. She's not zippered, but she is a magnetic closure in the front, with a very open, wide open mouth when you open her completely. I have a full review on her, and I'll link that right up here so you can watch next. But yeah, she is gorgeous. In my opinion, she is weatherproof in my opinion, my experience. So I've had her for a couple of months, and I've gotten caught twice in the rain with her. And what I've done in that occasion is wipe her down literally with a paper towel and carry on. So I haven't experienced any, you know, weather damaging issues with her. The only thing at the time that I got caught in the rain with her, my worry was more for the hardware, that I would dry it off really quick so she don't tarnish, or that I help in any way, shape, or form tarnishing the hardware, because as you can see, she has more hardware than the other one. So in comparison, both bags for me serve the same purpose. These are grab and go bags that I would grab to wear on the weekend, to go to a park, to go to a party, to go to a birthday party, to go to a special occasion, by altering the straps on them and maybe interchanging them into something maybe shorter or more like a chain and stuff like that. This one already has that strap that you can wear as more as a dress up type of bag. I accessorize them completely because I love accessories. But as a visual, you can see the size comparison in the front, and I'll put measurements as we look at them. This is a side comparison that I'll put also measurements so you can compare. These are the back of the bags that are very similar, as you can see, and this is the bottom of the bags for comparison again. All right, and then we have the top of the bags as well for comparison. And obviously by just looking at them, you can tell that Miss Pink over here is larger in size than it is with this gorgeous little Miss Coco here. They are very versatile bags, and in my opinion, I think that you can wear them for many occasions. You can just wear them casually, or you can also dress them up, like I said, by removing straps or adding much more dressy straps on to them. And like I said, I see nothing going wrong with this one as I was caught in the rain. And obviously this one is very easy to carry in the rain because the treated vachetta and the canvas material, you know, you wouldn't cause any damage. They are very durable materials. So with that being said, I'm gonna end my video here of this short video comparing these two, because there's not much to compare or cons of one with the other, but there are pros for these two bags that are gonna be keepers in my collection. So if you stood until the end of this video, I thank you so much, and I ask you that if you found this video fun, entertaining, give me a thumbs up. Click that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, God keep you, and until next time, ciao. Thinking of what I'm gonna cook. I'm over here doing this video and thinking of what I'm gonna cook.